Good morning, people. Papa Sammy me an alley bug here. 9 days ago, I did a video on container gardening. All right, I want to show you something. In that video, I planted some potatoes. Potato peelings that come out of my worm bin. Okay? That was 9 days ago. I want you to see something. Notice carefully. They're kind of hard to come by and see, but they're there. There's one there, there's one there, and one right there. They're growing. Now, as they grow, like I said, I'll just keep adding a few leaves and a little topsoil and leave about 3 or 4 inches of potatoes sticking out. And they will continue to grow. And eventually, I'll harvest potatoes off that. Now, what you see down there is my LSU purple gold fig I'm saving. It was just a little twig when I planted it and brought it inside. That was my pepper. I was trying to winter it over and start it off again next year. I don't think it's totally dead, but it's getting mighty close. But I've got to suppose out of all of my potted plants, this is going to have to be the king or the queen, whatever it is, I don't know. I ordered that pineapple from Hawaii. It's Hawaiian gold. Beautiful pineapple, delicious. I ate the pineapple, stuck the top in the ground, and I want you to look at that baby. She is looking good. I intend to, and I don't know about this year, but next year I think I'm gonna go ahead and stick her out in the yard in the summer and let her bear and see what I can get out of it.